So we're continuing our discussion of how to get the JSON event data in an Ajax callback. So previously we described how you can use the helper function A5 get calendar events by passing in this Xbasic dot variable that defines exactly what you want. So you can see here we're defining the connection string to our SQL database, and there we're defining the SQL query that we want to execute, and then we're defining the start date and the end date of our query, the event data, the event date, the event ID, the event name, and the event description. And so now we go there and we get our JSON data. So you can see if we look there in the debugger, we can see that we've retrieved the JSON data for the events for August 1994. And now we construct the JavaScript command that we would like to send back to the browser. So the JavaScript that we're going to send back is going to first create a JavaScript variable called _cal, where we get a pointer to the calendar control object. Then we're going to stick the JSON data inside an object inside this calendar object. Inside the underbar data object, we're going to actually stick the JSON data, and then we're going to call the calendar object's .refresh method. So this is the JavaScript that gets sent back to the browser after an Ajax callback. So we go ahead there and say run, and now you can see that we've refreshed the calendar and we're displaying the events. Now if I go here and click on the onMonthNavigate, you can see that the menu is still open. So when I click this, we have code that's going to close that menu down. Now we're actually making our Ajax callback, and this time now you can see the month is set to 9. Go ahead now and run it, and then look at the data, and now we're seeing the events for September 1994. So you can see here how we were easily able to make an Ajax callback, call the utility function to query the SQL tables and get the event data in the correct JSON format, and then call the calendar's refresh method to repopulate the calendar showing the events for the current month. I hope you found that interesting. Thank you.